welcome you all. Today we will see actually how to write your C program. Okay, we say we have to do a C program. We have to write the coding or code. C. Now consider a simple example. What I want to do when I execute my coding or my software, I want to print the message welcome. Okay, so now printing this message is nothing but your task, right? Printing this message is nothing but your task. Now I want the message welcome, and for bringing this welcome I have to write my coding here, right? With the help of C programming. C programming consists of the program. Program means nothing but your coding. Now to get this I will write some program. In the C program, if you are using the C programming language, the format will be as first you have to include the header files. Okay, I will make a box. First you have to include the header files. Then comes your main function. Okay, curly braces. This will be the format. If you want to write any program in the C programming, this will be the format. You have to first include the header files. Then comes your main function. As stated earlier, we said that C programming is nothing but consists of the functions. Now what is this function? The function will be having a set of statements which will take the input to do a particular task. I am repeating once again. See, listen. In C programming, I have to do coding. I have to create a program. I have to do a coding. Okay. So what is my task? My task is to print this message. The message is welcome. For bringing this message, now consider example. Okay, when you have to message your friend, you take the phone. Okay, what you do? You take the phone, and what you do? There is message option, right? You open that application, you type your message here, and you send here. Okay, now same this task I want to do with the help of programming in the C programming. Just consider this message. What I want to do? I want to just type a message. I'm going to include the header files and write one function. Now this header files, to include the header files, you will write this slash include. In the angular brackets you will write stdio.h. okay, header files, this one. Now this main function, what we said, C programming consists of the functions. Now what is function? Here this is the format. Okay, the main, this will be the function name, this will be the parameters, this curly brace, and your statements. Now if with the help of this method I will write hash include stdio.h, then what I will do? Now here this is the name of the function, here will be the return type, and here will be the number of parameters, here will be the statements ending with the semicolon. This is the format. Each statement in the function will be ended with the semicolon. Now in this lecture, what we are studying? What is the format? Just keep in mind, this will be the format, and in the upcoming lecture we will see what are the header files, how to include it, what will be the main function, and to get this message what we are going to write this. In this lecture, just keep in mind the format, include the header files, the main functions, round bracket, curly braces, and your set of inputs. Okay, thank you. See you in the next lecture.